Welcome back, everybody. So an econ researcher is collecting data about grocery store employees in a county. The data listed below represents a random sample of the number of hours worked by 40 employees from several grocery stores in the county. We want to find the point estimate and eventually construct a 95% confidence interval for the average number of hours worked by grocery store employees and assume that the population standard deviation from past studies is 7.9. We're going to follow these steps. You need to have the point estimate. We need to find the critical value, find the margin of error, and eventually construct your confidence interval. X bar, your point estimate, is just the average of this sample. We're going to add all of these numbers together and divide it by 40. 29.6 is the point estimate. To find the margin of error, since you are working with a 95% level of confidence, ZC or critical value is 1.96. Sigma is given to us as 7.9 and N is 40. So following the formula for margin of error, you have 2.4 hours. Now, moving on to the last step, X bar minus E, 29.6 hours minus 2.4 hours is 27.2, right? Endpoint for your confidence is X bar plus E, which is 29.6 plus 2.4, which is 32 hours. You can say that, hey, we are 95% confidence that the population average number of hours worked by employees is bounded between 27.2 hours and 32 hours. But what is the calculator steps? First, you're going to go to stat and then find tests, find Z interval. In the Z interval, sigma or population standard deviation is 7.9, X bar that we calculated is 29.6, and or the sample size is 40, and the level of confidence is 95%, so 0.95. Once you do the calculation, you see the confidence interval to be 27.152, which is, we can round it to 27.15 or 27.2, and on top, 32 hours.